Hey, y'all. I'm doing this Carbang today right quick. And today I was out shopping, doing a little retail therapy. I was in the house bored to death. So I came out to the mall and decided I wasn't far from this White Castles. And so I decided to come over here. It's a bit of a production. People are still coming out. I think this place opened up like a month ago, and people are still coming out. So I was on the drive-through line for about 20 minutes. Wasn't bad. It wasn't a bad wait. And you know, they had their little thing and they doing it. So I got some food for my kids to take home, but I got myself a double cheeseburger meal. It came with 2 double cheeseburgers, a french fry, and a soda. And then I got what they call onion chips. I guess they don't do onion rings anymore, or full onion rings. They like half pieces of onion rings. I don't know. This is the double cheeseburger. Let me pray and we get right into it. So yeah, let's see. I told them I wanted everything made fresh because they are busy. These are the onion chips. So it's like a half of an onion ring or something. Good. Can't complain. Told them I wanted everything fresh. Got my Sprite with extra ice. Good. This is what they give you when you come into the parking lot. Here's the menu with everything they have. They have a guy to tell you where to get on the line at, how long the wait is to get through the drive-thru. Once you place your order at the little computer speaker thing, you pull up and one of the workers come out with your receipt. You give him your card or your cash, and then you pull up to the window. They give you your card and stuff back, and you pull up to another window, and it's open to the outside, so they don't have to do like other you want a bite? Where they don't have to do like other restaurants where you wait, but they have to come out through the same entrance that the people come in for. It's open right there for the drive-thru, so they just step out. These people are still coming. I'm glad my first experience was a good one, because when they first opened, they said it was like 4 to 6 hour wait in the drive-thru and going inside the dining room. I'm pretty sure it was nuts. They have people telling you where to park, because for whatever reason they got half of the parking lot blocked off around a restaurant. So you park across on the other side of the parking lot. They have signs up telling you where to go for parking or drive-through. It's nice to have an outdoor sitting area for nights like this, and for the cooler, weather. You don't have to sit inside. But whoever opened up this White Castle, they probably see their return. They probably already getting a profit because people been coming here for since they open, it's been like crazy. And people are still coming. Whether they driving through or coming through to sit down. So I give it a thumbs up. It's good. I grew up eating White Castle. So it definitely hit the spot for me. This is my first time eating today. All I had was water, and it's 6:28. Hopefully it'll still be hot and good by the time my kids get there, because I'm like over an hour away from home. And hopefully the traffic died down. But yeah, it's still good. White Castle got the best onion rings. Well, in their case, onion chips. Today was a pretty good day today. And then I woke up, I was just bored. My time football is over. And I just wanted to get out the house. Going to the mall probably wasn't the right thing to do. Because I was just supposed to go and try to look around, but you see stuff you want and it's like, ooh, I need these. So I do, of course, have a haul vid, a shopping vid in the fitting room vid as well coming up at some point. Because I've been recording so many videos, so it's just about when I'm gonna post them. And that's it. Just want to come to y'all with my White Castle Carbang Mukbang. Let y'all know how White Castles turned out, because it was mixed reviews. I guess people went when they first opened, like the first day and the first week, and it was a madhouse. You can't expect when a place first opened to maybe get good food, especially when they wasn't expecting that crazy of a turnout. I don't know why, because anywhere that if people grew up on White Castles, or if they had White Castles at some time in their life and then it comes back around, you can't deny White Castle's good. The burger's small as hell, but White Castles is the bomb. So I don't know why they didn't expect that it was going to be crazy, but I guess they didn't expect for it to be that crazy. Again, White Castle was supposed to be open 24 hours. I know the one back in New York where I'm from is, always has been. And it got to a point here where they had to close down for like 2 hours to give the workers a break and stock up. Excuse me. But, what's good is they didn't pull a Popeyes where they was like, oh, we ran out of everything. If you know you a burger place, how you gonna tell people you ran out of burgers? To me, that whole Popeye's fiasco doesn't make no sense, because you a chicken spot and you run out of chicken. Chick-fil-A didn't run out of chicken, and I'm sure people was doing a lot of comparison vids. How you run out of chicken? But the good thing is that they didn't run out of food. The bad thing was that it got mixed reviews. Some people said their food was cold, the burgers were soggy, because they steamed their burgers, the last I knew of. So they can't get soggy if they're not done right or over steamed or whatever. Some people just said their food wasn't good, and what you expect? You got 20 million people online all day long. They probably was understaffed. Again, didn't think it was going to turn out like it did. And you got people sitting online for 4 to 6 hours in the store and on the drive-thru, and they were still coming all night, 10 o'clock at night. When the night shift came in, the lines were still hours long. So that is my White Castle Mukbang and review. Thumbs up. They did a good job with my order and the food. Give me a thumbs up. Watch the video all the way through. Help me with these watch hours. And peace till next time.